Welcome to Orion Auto Updates, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the world of automobiles and powersports. Today, we're turning our attention to a motocross legend, the 2025 Yamaha YZ 125. Known for its razor-sharp handling, explosive two-stroke performance, and race-winning legacy, the YZ 125 has long been a favorite among both amateur riders and seasoned pros. The 2025 model builds on this legacy with smart refinements that elevate its performance and appeal. Let's dive into what's new and why this YZ 125 is more thrilling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Yamaha YZ 125 arrives with updated bodywork that gives it a more aggressive and modern race-ready look. Sleeker plastics, new radiator shrouds, and a slimmer seat profile contribute to a more streamlined aesthetic while also enhancing rider mobility. Yamaha offers updated color options and bold new graphics, making the bike pop whether it's tearing up the track or parked in the paddock. The design emphasizes function as much as form, maintaining the lightweight feel that's essential for fast transitions and agile riding. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2025 YZ 125 is its legendary 125cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, now refined for smoother power delivery and stronger mid-range performance. Yamaha has revised the intake system and fine-tuned the exhaust for more efficient powerband usage, making the bike quicker out of corners and easier to manage at the top end. The 6-speed transmission remains crisp and responsive, paired with a revised clutch design for improved durability under race conditions. Weight distribution has been subtly adjusted for better handling, and the KYB suspension has been revalved for sharper control over rough terrain. Safety and technology. While motocross bikes focus on lightweight performance over luxury tech, the 2025 YZ 125 includes several thoughtful updates aimed at riders' safety and convenience. The bike features an ergonomic handlebar setup and adjustable levers to better suit various rider preferences. Grippy foot pegs and a redesigned seat increase control during aggressive maneuvers. The updated braking system provides confident stopping power, while the frame geometry remains finely tuned for stability at high speeds. For younger or newer riders, the predictable power curve and balanced chassis offer confidence without compromise. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha YZ 125 continues to prove why it's a staple in the motocross world. It delivers thrilling two-stroke excitement with a modern edge, making it a top choice for those chasing podiums or just looking to enjoy pure off-road fun. With its refined performance, lightweight agility, and race-focused updates, the new YZ 125 is ready to dominate the dirt. Stay tuned to Orion Auto Updates for more news, reviews, and insights from the fast-paced world of powersports.